great group.
We're backstage with Cynthia Rowley.
Yes.
This is Charlotte Tilbury from Maybelline.
So the look?
Yes.
Fit Me foundation, Fit Me powder for the perfect skin, flawless, silky feel. And then on the eye, I outlined the eye, top and bottom, and sort of went from the upper, under the brow, took it across all the way out to the end of the brow, took it under the eye, inside the eye. So a lot of uses of that kohl pencil. Blending a little bit with the finger, and then on top I put Expert Wear eyeshadow, used the dark matte brown, dabbed it on so you have a really nice intense feeling to the eye. Has been blended with the lighter brown in that same palette. Then I took the Eye Studio palette, I forgot the name of it. It has a white and a yellow gold, and I put that under the eye in the corner and the white in the very, very corner. A ton of falsies to have nice spiky lashes, no cheeks, it's just all in the foundation. And on the lip, it's called Sensational, and it's called In the Nude, and it's a beige.
And was there any particular inspiration
behind
or idea?
it? It was really like a sexy girl, trendy, going out at night, you know. It wasn't, that's all the information I really got, you know.
And with the false lashes, is it individuals? Are they
No, it's
strips?
Falsies. Falsies mascara.
Oh, Falsies mascara. Are there false lashes as well,
No.
or no? Okay, just mascara.
Mascara. Because with that mascara, you can actually make, you really have the effect of false lashes.
And spiky.
And spiky.
Yep.
So, you know.
Is it on the lower lid as well?
Yeah. Okay.
Charlotte, Expert Wear eyeshadow, a brown shade.
Shy latte, it's called.
And then just the Expert gold over here and white in the...
It was from the Eye Studio palette.
Yeah. I can figure that out.
Yes.
But so basically a brown matte shade, but then also the white in the inner corner.
And yellow. And yellow just after.
And yellow just after.
Uh-huh.
Underneath?
Yeah.
The shadows underneath.
Yeah.
Is this supposed to look like the girl kind of like did herself, like before going out? Like, is it polished or is it like a little more?
It's fairly polished, you know, but it's actually very wearable. But it's definitely an evening look,
Right.
you know. But you know, a statement of a little overdone of
Like going out.
exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.